Hello. Do you think you spend a lot of time on using your mobile phone? Hello. Do you think you spend a lot of time using your mobile phone, wasting your valuable time doing things that you know you shouldn't be doing? So, in that case, what I'm going to do now is to show you how you can help yourself limit the amount of time you spend on your mobile phone. So we are going to use the digital well-being of the mobile phone to set some goals. The amount of time you could spend each day on the mobile phone or at any particular time. In order to do that, just go on your mobile phone and click on settings. By the way, here I'm using, for this demonstration, I'm using Samsung S10. So the process is applicable no matter what kind of Samsung you have, should be quite similar. So once you go to settings, you click on digital well-being and parental control. What you are looking at the screen now is this. So 38 here is like the amount of time I spent using my mobile phone, 29 minutes on mobile and 9 minutes on other things. Here it says most used apps. So I've spent 29 minutes on YouTube and 9 minutes on settings. So if you want to set a goal for yourself, just click on where it says set goal. Now you can specify the amount of time you want to spend on the mobile phone, right? So for example, let us set this to, let's say, 2 hours and click done. Now, as you can see, I've set my goal to 2 hours. So that's the way it works. So what happens is that when this time, uh, at the end of 2 hours, your phone won't shut down whatsoever, just that it will notify you that you have spent or you have consumed the amount of hours that you set up. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.